Hello everybody to lesson 48 of HTML Deep Understanding course. In this lesson we will know the local storage and what do we mean it. First of all, you should know that unlike the cookies, the storage limit is far larger, at least maybe 5 megabyte, and information is not transferred to the server, so the performance will be great. Also, the web storage is more secure and large amounts of data can be stored locally without affecting website performance, so the difference is clear. So we will know now what how to create or how to save the data in your browser and not make your server busy and lose the performance of your website. So let's go and see what we have here. I have here prepared a script for you which you could use it. This script is in JavaScript, written in JavaScript, which we will learn it later. So in this script you could know the following. First of all, here we defined, here we are validating from the storage. If the storage is defined in that browser, means we will be able to store this information, else we'll show errors that this browser is not supporting local storage. Then we have something called local storage click counts, means the local storage click count is a variable that we store in that variable number, means the number that we needed or the data that we need to store there. So here we have the local storage click count equal 1 if that local storage is not defined. If that local storage is not defined, we will define it here and we will send 1 for that for the first time. Then we will increase it with 1. So every time we click or we visit that website, we'll increase it with 1. So then we will print, after that we will print in a result ID, means we will create it now. We will create a div and assign it with result. We will print this. You have clicked the button, the times we have clicked the button, and then here we will write the then here we will write the times that we have clicked that button. Okay, so I hope you will understand these things now. So let's go and see what we have. Here I will create a button. Okay, let's call this button, and we have on click. When we click this button, we will go to click counter, the function we have created. The type of the button is button. Great. Then inside it we will write, for example, click. Sorry, spelling. Click. Then we will create now a div, and we will give it an ID. The ID of the div will be result. Okay, so let's see that and come to the browser and refresh what we have here. Click, we see we have 1 time, then 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and whenever you click you will set the variable. When you close it, you will you will see that we have defined the variable that we could see. For example, if I delete it, it will call it again. Now I will refresh. It will call the same value that we have clicked. So for example, we have ended in 10 and 9, now it's 10, 11, 13, and so on. So now we have stopped in 15. If I close the browser and open it again, it will start from 15 and 16, 17. Okay, so 16. So why? Because it stored in local storage, and it called that number was called from the local storage tool. So this was the lesson, and see you again. Bye.